What if I told you that while you are sleeping, AI employees are running your daily stand-ups, generating progress reports, and turning your meeting recordings into actionable tasks? Sounds like a science fiction, right? It's actually happening right now inside ClickUp. Hi, this is Aryan Shastogi, and this is part 2 of the ClickUp AI series. And today I'm going to show you AI autopilot agents that work 24/7 without breaks, salaries, or sick days, plus an AI note taker that ensures nothing from your meetings ever gets lost again. By the end of this video, you will understand why businesses are replacing entire teams with intelligent automation that actually thinks and acts on your behalf. Okay, so let's start with ClickUp Autopilot Agents. So this is where ClickUp AI really gets revolutionary. Autopilot agents are like having AI employees that actually do the things, not just write about doing. There are two types of AI agents. You can use pre-built agents or create custom ones on your own. These are few of the pre-built agents. Okay, so number one is auto answers agent. So it responds in a thread to the question that it can answer. Number two is daily stand-up agent. Summarize what each team member is working on, what has been completed, and any blockers every weekday at a particular time. Then weekly report agent. So it generates progress summaries. Then team updates agents. It posts automatic progress reports. Also, you don't need coding skills to create custom AI agents. ClickUp's no-code agent builder lets you define triggers, conditions, and actions using simple drop-downs and text fields. The agents adapt to changes in your workspace and act autonomously based on the instructions you give them.
Okay, so I'm going to show you about the AI agents here. There are two types of AI agents that I already told, right? One is that are already there within ClickUp, it is pre-built, and one that you can build your own AI agent here, right? So it is really helpful. So if you see here, so in this one, so these are the AI agents which are already there, right? Weekly report, daily report, team stand-ups, right? And the same kind of AI agents that are pre-built AI agents you can find here also, right? So these are the pre-built kind of AI agents that are already there within ClickUp, right? Now let's see and what like how we can build the AI agent here, right? So one of the AI agents we have already built, I will show you in action here, and then I will tell you we'll go step by step of how we created that AI agent. It's very simple and very easy to create, and you have to use just plain English to create the AI agents. So we have basically created an invoicing agent here. So what it does is it takes in the invoices, it processes it, and then it generates different kinds of things: the custom fields, subtask, priority, assignee on its own. We don't have to do anything else after that. Okay, so let's go to the form maybe. Okay, so this is the form. Okay, yeah. So this is the form, right? So say we want to upload a sample invoice. Okay, so let's say this one of the invoices we are uploading here. This is a sample invoice we have uploaded. Okay, and let's say we are submitting it. Okay, okay. So if you see here, the form has been submitted. Now it will do everything by itself. Let's wait for a few seconds and let it create everything on its own. Okay, we don't have to do anything else after that. If you see here, it is by itself, generating all the results. It is due date, priority, and I think it will generate the other results as well. Yeah. So you see, it has generated the result by itself. All these things we don't have to do anything. It has analyzed the data within the invoice and then basically put in the data in the custom fields all by itself. And then if you see, it has also generated the subtask according to the invoice. Okay, and it has basically assigned it to the people as well. Okay, so it's like we have just submitted the invoice. Okay, and all the other things are done by the AI agent here. Okay, so let's see the AI agent here now. Okay, let's go to the agent. Okay, so let me just show you what is actually happen at the back end. Okay, so when the form is submitted, so there are few instructions that the agent is following. So these are the instructions. So it's like a very big prompt. So firstly, it is analyzing the PDF. Okay, it is getting in all the information from there. Then it is updating the task, okay, with all the custom fields here, okay. Then it is processing the all the data that is already there, okay. It will process the amount, and then accordingly it is assigning it to different people. It will basically calculate the due date, okay. Then it will basically create all the subtask, and it will assign also. Okay. So basically, what is happening is through this prompt, okay, it is able to understand what it needs to do. Then we have given the knowledge to it, okay, with the invoices. Obviously, we are not using the data from the other list or other spaces, but we can use it here also. You can use it from any document. You can use any form of list or any form of view also here. Any chat, you can use other sources, means chat gpt, or anything else also you can use here. So there's a lot of possibilities that you can do within ClickUp. Then you can add a tool here. We just said manage task and subtask, but you can add other tools as well. Okay, so it is behaving like a other agent only. It's like a you're giving the prompt through which it is taking all the decisions. You're giving the knowledge base, which acts as a information for the agent. Then you are giving the different tools to it. So that's how the ClickUp AI agents work here. So you should start using ClickUp AI agents as soon as possible, because it can help you at least reduce 10 to 15 hours per week, per person in your team. Okay.
Okay, so the next one is ClickUp AI Notetaker. So traditional note taking forces an impossible choice: either scribble and miss the conversation, or engage actively and lose important details. So most professionals end up mentally checked out, desperately trying to capture everything while brilliant ideas slip through the cracks. So deadlines get missed, strategies get lost. So what is the solution? ClickUp's AI note taker changes everything. It processes speech and recognizes different speakers automatically. But here is what makes it really powerful. It has automatic action item detection and assignment. It has real-time transcription and summarization with perfect accuracy. It has instant task creation from meeting discussions. It has smart agenda generation from past meeting notes. So no more wondering what was I supposed to do. The AI turns chaos into clarity instantly. So let's see why ClickUp AI is special. So unlike other note takers that just give you transcripts, ClickUp integrates directly with your workflows. Action items automatically become tasks in your project management system. No switching between apps, no copying data. Everything flows seamlessly. And it works across Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, and internal meetings, creating one searchable knowledge base instead of scattered documents.
Okay, so let me show you how we can simply add the AI note taker. It is like how it easy it is, right? So let's say for one of the meetings, obviously I'm just giving an example. All of it is not connected. All of the meetings are not connected here, but just to tell you, like, you can, if your planner is connected to your Google Meet, right, it will simply show the feature here. You can simply toggle this and your ClickUp AI note taker will join the meeting. Or you can just, for example, for any particular email ID, you can simply tell to automatically join meeting, so it will ask and then it will join the particular meeting. Okay, so this is how easy it is for the AI note taker in ClickUp to join the meetings. Now, let me show you what all it provides after the meeting. Okay, so let me close this. So this was for one of the meetings. So it gives the attendees. Okay, then obviously the whole video of the meeting. Then it gives the overview of the meeting, the key takeaways. Okay, now the next step. Now, if you want to basically turn it into an action item, you can simply do it, and it will be done, right? Now, these are the key topics that were discussed: reels editing status, scheduling strategy for reels. Okay, if you want to see a particular part, you can simply go there. Rajesh reported that some reels were already edited. Okay, so just to give you an example. Okay, obviously then the whole transcript is also there. Okay, you can see the whole transcript also. But one more important thing to see here is, let's say if you want to basically convert this into a task, okay, and in a particular list, you can simply basically go basically select any list from anywhere, and you can simply convert this into a task, and a particular point will be converted to task. So that's what basically separates this from the other AI note taker, because this is like inside ClickUp. All of your ClickUp feature are applicable within this AI note taker. So this is like highly useful, and it is really easy to use. And the most important thing is that all these things, all this note taking and summarization, the takeaways and action items are happening within ClickUp. Okay.
So this is the future of business operations. You just witnessed AI employees that actually work for your business 24 cross 7. These autopilot agents are not just tools, they're intelligent team members handling daily stand-ups, generating weekly reports, and responding to questions automatically. Plus, with AI Note Taker turning every meeting into instant action items and tasks, nothing ever gets lost in conversation again. And you know what is the best part? No coding required. You simply tell them what to do in plain English and they execute flawlessly while you focus on strategy and growth. While your competitors burn out managing manual processes and forgotten meeting details, you have AI agents running systematic operations that scale infinitely. So, are you ready to use ClickUp AI employees that never sleep and meetings that automatically become progress? Start changing your business with ClickUp. So, see you in the next ClickUp AI related video in this series. And until then, stay productive.